Hi friends, this is my first video tutorial on Swift language. In this video tutorial, I am assuming that you have some previous knowledge of any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java, or any of .NET languages like C Sharp. I am assuming this knowledge because I am not going at very basic level like what is constant, what is variable, what are expressions, or what is loops, or what is functions. These much details you must be knowing. I am just going through the syntax of Swift language, and Swift language is a new language for iOS development. Now on, uh, iOS has declared officially that anything you want to build, it should be built in Swift. Though many people still using Objective C because it's been used for long time now. There are many advantages of Swift over Objective C. First of all, it is very easy to use. It is very readable. Also, very easy to write the code. There are a lot of things you must be knowing before starting Objective C. Like you must be aware of C language. Swift language not that clumsy. Like there are many boxes like syntax you can see in Objective C, where functions, or you can say messages in Objective C language, using the boxes. So it was really clumsy. But be aware that you must be knowing at least some bit of Objective C, because lot of code which you can say legacy code has been written in Objective C, and you cannot just take away all the code just because Swift language is coming. Though you can intermix Swift and Objective C, make sure you have at least basic knowledge, at least reading level knowledge of Objective C. So I am keeping here um, we will start with the playgrounds. Playground is an interactive work area where you can write something and you can see result exactly at the same time. Reason being, we are using playground because if we get that much interactive work area, then we are very much getting feedback very soon, and it is quite easy while we are learning. Secondly, it is a very good prototyping tool, so you can even add into your project. So whenever you want to prototype small things, you can use playground. So let's get started with playground. Xcode, saying file, it's loading. Okay, file, new, and playground. So we need to choose iOS because further in this course we will see some iOS development, so it's better to choose iOS. I'm giving some name, say first Swift program. And you can see a lot of background noise nearby. There are festivals going on, and in India you cannot avoid such things, so please be tolerant to that. Okay, so this is the Swift language playground. As soon as you create new playground, you will see this string, this screen with one string is already defined for us. So in some time we can see hello playground. So whenever we use any string, or whenever we create another variable, say I equals to 10, it will go and show me 10 in sidebar. In Swift language we can define variable using var keyword. We can or we cannot give its data type. If we cannot give its data type, it infer from the value we are giving here. So I have given 10 here, so value of I is inferred as integer. So if I go here and I equals to, I'm giving some string here, it will definitely give me error, because I already mentioned I as integer. It has already inferred from this value that I as integer. Now I cannot take it as a string. Now you can see here, I can uh, cannot assign a value type string to a value of int. You can also explicitly mention, here like we are string as string, but that may not be useful because actually it is inferring. But sometimes you want to be explicit and writing the value, so you can do that. As you can define variable using var keyword, you can define constant using let keyword. So let I equals to say 10. Now I cannot go and change its value. because it's a constant. So whenever you say late, it defines a constant, and whenever you say var where, it actually go and define the variable. Now let's do some basic arithmetic. Let's say I have a where v value 10, where x, let's say value 20, and let's say where result, and we are keeping it as a integer just to show that we can also define integer by explicitly mentioning type and keeping here result 0 right now. Now I can go in result and say x or v plus x. Now if I want to print something, I need to use print ln, and in print ln we can simply go and type something like first program. It will go and show first program. Now if you want to show some variable value, you need to use backslash in bracket result. So this is the variable we want to print. So first program result, and the value of result is 30. So whenever you want to print some value, you can actually go and uh, put into backslash plus parenthesis. Now even you can add here expression, let's say v plus x, and you will see same result. Now suppose this vx is now a double. Now as soon as you create a double, and let's change the value so that we will not get confusion, it should show 40, but is not. It is giving me error because it is saying binary operation plus cannot be applied to int and a double. So you need to either typecast a double to a int or int to a double. So here I am typecasting this x to integer. Now see how I am doing typecasting. I am writing name of the data type, and inside that I am writing which value I need to typecast. Same I need to do here, because it is saying again that it cannot convert it to int, or it does not have that constructor. Init is for constructor, we will see in upcoming videos. So again I need to either convert v to uh, double or x to a integer. So here in this case we are going to typecast it into a double. Now it should show the value 4.0. Same we can do with string concatenation plus operator is used. Let's say where s equals to some string, say Pranit, my name, and I can go here plus equals to and say Kothari. Now value of this s becomes Pranit Kothari. I can just go there and say. So this is the first tutorial of Swift language using Playground. You can see how interactively you can learn Swift language. We will be creating more videos in upcoming days. Please post your comments or any feedback you have. That will make me create more videos, and that will also be useful for you too, because I will add something if you specifically want from my side. So thank you very much for patient listening. We will meet again. Thanks.